Imagine a place where ships and planes mysteriously vanish without a trace. Welcome to a realm of intrigue and enigma, a place that has baffled scientists and sparked countless theories. This is the Bermuda Triangle, a stretch of the Atlantic Ocean, roughly bounded by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. Spanning roughly 500,000 square miles, it's an area steeped in mystery and speculation. Why, you ask? Because over the years, numerous ships and aircraft have disappeared within these boundaries, often under clear skies and without any distress signals. From tales of magnetic anomalies to space-time warp and even extraterrestrial activities, theories abound, attempting to explain the inexplicable. Some believe it's a mere statistical coincidence, while others are convinced that something far more mysterious is at play. But despite the multitude of theories and extensive investigations, the Bermuda Triangle remains an enigma. Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle, the world's greatest unsolved mystery. Our journey into the unknown begins in the late 19th century. As we venture into the history of the Bermuda Triangle, we encounter the eerie tale of the USS Cyclops, a massive fuel ship that vanished without a trace in 1918. The Cyclops, with its crew of 309 souls, embarked on a routine voyage. Yet it never reached its destination, and no distress signals were ever received. The disappearance of the USS Cyclops remains the single largest loss of life in the history of the US Navy from a non-combat incident. This was not an isolated incident. Just a few years later, in 1921, another chilling event occurred. The Carroll A. Deering, a 5-masted commercial schooner, was found run aground off Cape Hatteras, North Carolina. The ship was in good condition, but eerily, the crew was nowhere to be found. Their personal belongings, navigational equipment, logbooks, and lifeboats were all missing. Even the ship's 2 cats had vanished. It was as if the crew had simply evaporated. Theories and speculations surrounding these early cases are as numerous as they are diverse. Some propose logical explanations such as violent weather, navigational errors, or even methane gas hydrates that could theoretically sink a ship. Others lean towards the paranormal, suggesting alien abductions or interdimensional portals. The lack of concrete evidence and the myriad of plausible theories only add to the enigma. The disappearances of the USS Cyclops and the Carroll A. Deering, among others, sparked a global fascination. These mysterious incidents, occurring in a seemingly ordinary stretch of the Atlantic Ocean, began to weave a narrative of a place where the normal rules of nature did not apply. A place where ships and planes could vanish without a trace, leaving no clue as to their fate. And thus, the legend of the Bermuda Triangle was born. Fast forward to 1945, the Bermuda Triangle would claim its most famous victims. Let's delve into the chilling tale of Flight 19, a squadron of 5 US Navy Avenger torpedo bombers. On a calm, clear day in December 1945, an experienced flight instructor led a routine training mission. 14 airmen and their 5 aircraft took off from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Their mission was simple: a 2-hour flight, following a triangular route, and then back to base. However, something went terribly wrong. An hour and a half into the flight, the instructor reported that his compass and backup compass had failed. The other planes in the squadron also began to experience the same bizarre difficulties. Despite the clear skies, the squadron was lost. The last known transmission from Flight 19 was a chilling message: "We can't find west. Everything is wrong. Strange. We can't be sure of any direction. Everything looks strange, even the ocean." Then, silence. Flight 19 vanished without a trace. Not a single piece of debris was ever found, despite an extensive search operation involving hundreds of ships and aircraft. Adding to the mystery, a Martin Mariner seaplane deployed to search for the missing squadron also disappeared off the radar, just 20 minutes after takeoff. Its last message was a routine radio check. Then, like Flight 19, it was gone. Theories about what happened to Flight 19 range from extraterrestrial interference to magnetic anomalies affecting compass readings. Some suggest they were victims of the alleged Bermuda Triangle, while others propose they simply ran out of fuel and crashed into the ocean. Over the years, numerous investigations have been conducted, from official military inquiries to independent researchers. Yet, none have been able to provide a conclusive explanation for the disappearance of Flight 19 and the search plane. With no concrete evidence, the fate of Flight 19 remains a mystery. As we move into the modern era, the Bermuda Triangle's appetite for the unexplained has not waned. One of the most notable incidents to occur in the recent past is the sinking of the SS El Faro in 2015. This American cargo ship, with a crew of 33, vanished without a trace while en route from Florida to Puerto Rico. Despite an exhaustive search by the United States Coast Guard, only one body and a few remnants of the ship were ever found. The disappearance of the SS El Faro left a chilling echo in the maritime community. Investigations into the incident pointed to a combination of adverse weather conditions and mechanical failure, but the exact sequence of events leading to the ship's demise remains murky. Theories abound, from rogue waves to human error, yet none provide a definitive answer. Fast forward to 2017, when the MU-2B aircraft, a small business plane carrying 4 people, simply disappeared off the radar while flying over the Bermuda Triangle. Despite being equipped with the latest technology and experienced pilots at the helm, the aircraft and its passengers seem to have vanished into thin air. An extensive search and rescue operation turned up no signs of wreckage, fuel, or debris. Theories around this disappearance range from sudden and violent weather changes to spatial disorientation of the pilots. Yet again, no conclusive evidence has been found. These cases, and many like them, have only served to fuel the enigma of the Bermuda Triangle. They are stark reminders that despite our technological advancements and increasing understanding of the world, there remain mysteries that we are yet to unravel. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? That there are still places on our planet that hold secrets that defy our logic and understanding. Places that, despite our best efforts, continue to baffle and bewilder us. Despite advancements in technology, the Bermuda Triangle continues to baffle us. So, is the Bermuda Triangle a deadly vortex or an overblown myth? This question has puzzled scientists, explorers, and mystery enthusiasts for decades. Several theories have been proposed to explain the unusual incidents that have occurred in this infamous 3-cornered patch of the Atlantic. Let's delve into some of these scientific explanations. Firstly, human error cannot be ruled out. The Bermuda Triangle covers a vast, busy stretch of ocean where thousands of aircraft and ships pass through daily. Navigational mistakes, equipment failure, or misjudgments in adverse weather conditions could account for many of the reported disappearances. Speaking of weather, it's no secret that the Bermuda Triangle is prone to intense storms. The region is a hotbed for hurricanes, and sudden, violent weather changes are not uncommon. Could these extreme weather patterns be responsible for the numerous incidents? Then there's the theory of magnetic anomalies. Some believe that this region experiences unusual magnetic activity that can interfere with compass readings, leading to navigational confusion. But while there are indeed places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align, there's no solid evidence to suggest that the Bermuda Triangle is one of these magnetic hotspots. Now, let's consider the skeptics' perspective. They argue that the number of incidents in the Bermuda Triangle is not significantly higher than in other busy maritime areas when you consider the volume of traffic passing through. They attribute the triangle's reputation more to public fascination fueled by media hype and a love for a good mystery, rather than any actual paranormal activity or scientific anomaly. Some also point to the lack of comprehensive documentation and the embellishment of facts in some reported incidents. They believe that a more rigorous analysis of the data would likely debunk many of the triangle's supposed mysteries. Whether you believe in the Bermuda Triangle or not, it remains a captivating mystery that continues to intrigue and mystify us all. It's a testament to our enduring fascination with the unexplained and the unknown, a mystery that remains, for now, unsolved.